Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are very active and happy. Myself, Dr. Nivedita Pawar, I am a gynecologist. The whole world knows what's going around us. It's a corona pandemic. So we are going to discuss about how we can take care of ourselves and family. Let us begin. So you know what is this COVID? COVID-19 is a virus. So CO stands for corona, V for virus and D for disease. So how to take care of the coronavirus during this pandemic? So let us see how it affects us. It affects your lungs and the whole human system. So what are the symptoms? The symptoms can be mild to very severe. So the symptoms can be simple headache, there can be sore throat irritation, there can be fever, there can be cough, there can be pneumonia, or in severe cases there can be severe respiratory disturbances. So we have to see what are these infections. So sometimes it happens, the symptoms they get very serious, so then we have to report to the doctor. So how we can prevent the coronavirus with you and your family? So the first of all, you have to take care of yourself, like keeping social distance, because when you are coming with another person, so there is a chances of droplets spreading from the mouth to the other person. So everybody should use a mask. So this is a mask. There are so many masks available. So the triple layer mask should be used. It prevents the droplets coming from you to going to the another person. This mask has to be changed very frequently because the infection, the coronavirus or the droplets, they get accumulated here. So please remember, this mask is to be used very frequently. Then you have to be very clean and hygienic. What does that mean? Means you have to wash your hands very frequently with soap, water and the sanitizer. So this is sanitizer. Nowadays you know about the sanitizer and it is available all over. So please use the sanitizer whenever you are going, if you have to go out and when you are coming, somebody is coming in, and you clean your surfaces with the sanitizers. Then you can also use a face shield. So this is a face shield. This when you have to go out, or all the people like the police department, administrative or the doctors, so they are using this face shield. So this you can see, this prevents your face getting infection. So this prevents your nose, your mouth, your face. So this use of face shield is very, very important. So you have to keep certain points in mind. Then this you can see, it's a very small machine. It is called as a pulse oximeter. It is available everywhere. So you just have to put a middle finger inside and check how much is the oxygen. If the oxygen saturation falls below 80, it means your lungs are seriously getting affected. You have to go to the doctor and take the treatment. So these are the some precautions you have to take during the COVID pandemic, so that you can prevent yourself having infection and your family getting infection. All the time you have to see that you remain indoor. Please do not step outside. It is very, very important. Then let us see about your health. Since I am a doctor, I would like to speak on the health. Health, everybody knows health is wealth. If health is there, then you can do everything. So I divided this topic health into two subtopics, like a physical health and mental health. Physical health means you can imagine somebody is playing on the ground, you want to go and play on the ground, play your favorite sport and enjoy. But not now, because you can risk to have an infection. So please do not step out of your house, because otherwise you will catch the infection. Then you will ask me, how can you be physically fit during this corona pandemic? Yes, we have a solution. The mankind, whenever there is a problem, find out the solution. So what are the solutions we can do to remain physically fit? So be indoor, do some yoga, do some stretching, and instead of lying down or sitting for the long time, work inside your house, help your mother in cooking, cleaning, washing. Keep on doing something so that you will remain physically fit. And suppose if you have some opportunity and some extra space, so you can do some running, you can do skipping, you can do some activities, but always remember that you don't have to go outside. Please don't step outside. Then about mental health. Physical health and mental health, they are so close, so really we cannot separate them all together. But then mental health has to be taken care of. You have to be very stable, active during this pandemic. So how you can take care? Because if you take a care, then you will protect yourself and your family. So how to take care of your mental health? So see that you remain very productive. You have to plan your day and see that you are not watching so many movies or keep your mobiles outside, keep your video games outside, and then do something which is creative. What do you mean by that? Take some book which is not necessarily a study book. You can take any book. You can read something, some story. So that will stimulate your brain. And when your thought process is there, when you are thinking, then you will feel very happy. So don't go for movies or other games, because that will just entertain you. So I need that your brain should be stimulated. Besides that, to keep your brain proper healthy, you have to keep proper diet, your sleep, your healthy habits. So then mentally you will be very fit. You don't have to get panicky also, because if you get panicky, then everybody around you will get panicky. So the first thing is you have to be very stable, healthy and very positive. So we have discussed about the physical health and mental health. See, now everybody knows the corona pandemic is all over the world. The world has gone haywire. But do not get disturbed. The whole world is on the same pace. If everybody is getting affected, so we are getting affected. But then it is in your hand to keep yourself healthy, active, happy and productive. At the same time, you have to appreciate your parents, your teacher, because they are taking efforts so that your education shouldn't be stopped. They are taking efforts. Your teacher is preparing online programs for you. They are managing everything, online educational modules for you. So please appreciate, give big hand to your teachers and parents, because it is not easy for the school or teacher or the parents to give you online educational support. You should feel yourself very lucky because you have educational support and online activity also, so that you can learn and there is no stopping to your education. So it is very important. And the other thing, how you can be positive. So how you will keep yourself positive? Who will keep you positive? Nobody, but then you are going to keep yourself positive. So please take care of yourself. No negativity. If somebody is talking about corona and the news and all those things, so keep away from the negativity. Be positive. Plan your day. Get up early. Study early. Have proper meals. Have proper sleep. Have lots of positivity into you, so that you will feel very happy and you will utilize your time very nicely, happily and productively. This will keep your family and yourself very happy. So do not get panicky. Please use your time, because this corona pandemic is going to be over and again we will have a new world. So all the best. You all are corona warrior and you are going to come out of this very positively. So all the best. Thank you. Goodbye.